Well, hi everybody. So today I have this beautiful Neptune style villa to show you. We are on Sector C, very close to the golf club. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol, near the port of Matheron on the Costa Calida. So we're 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport and 20 minutes from the local beaches in the port of Matheron. So let me take you inside. So you have a pedestrian gate and you have some steps up to the property. As you noticed here, this is all newly tiled and you've got a nice seated area here so you can chill. And of course you've got a little water fountain then just there. Beautiful gardens, all done pristine and immaculately. Okay. So of course the pool's on the other side, but I'll have a look on the outside later. That's just a quick glimpse. So just before I go inside, they have enclosed the terrace and the windows over here, if you just see, they are tinted and they're thermal one-way glass as well, you know, and it stops the heat from coming into the property and people looking in, which is great. So let's take a look and step inside this beautiful Neptune. You've got lovely decorative balustrade. So guys, I've just come into this beautiful home, and as you can see, there is usually the front door and a window, a single window, but they've put double sliding door in there that's tinted glass. It looks really stunning and totally different. Just here is your lounge area, and as I explained, with those windows you can't see in but you can see out, and the views over the mountains further beyond are lovely. You've got your aircon here as well, and I'm just going to pan around so you can get a full feel of the room, and of course that lovely etching on the front door there. Okay, so let's go inside here. And just in here you have your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage, and this is the beautiful living room. So this is a lovely living room. As you can see, you have your feature fireplace, which is a log burner, your ceiling light and fan, and your aircon. And it's lovely and cool in here at the moment. All right, I'm just going to take the room from a different angle just to give you a good sense of the room. Okay, so I'm going through the archway, and this leads to the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So this in here is your master bedroom. I've come into the master bedroom. You have got ceiling light and fan, you have aircon, and you have electric points for your TV. On the windows you have insect screens and you've got blackout blinds. Along the bed you have got switches and sockets for either side. If I just pan around here, you can see there's an archway which leads, that little link corridor leads to your ensuite. So we'll have a look down there. Through the link corridor, of course, you have double wardrobes with overhead storage as well. And you've got a double wardrobe and a single wardrobe. Some people like to use the single wardrobe for their towels and their bits and bobs for the bathroom. You have an uplighter here, and through here you have a beautiful fully tiled bathroom suite. It has a semi-frosted shower screen and shower attachment. You have the bath, you've also got the WC and the vanity unit there. Really very nice. Okay, and you've got plenty of storage there as well with a mirror. Frosted glass window as well. And that's your shower and your bath there. Nice modern bath. Okay. So let me go through. Oh, of course, just above here you have an overhead heater as well. So we'll go in and around I'm going to take you, of course, through the guest shower room. And you've got these lovely glass blocks there in the shower, very modern. You have your sink and pedestal and your WC. This bathroom is done out in a lovely green and white. And just in here is your shower, just above there. Okay, and again, just above the door, you've got an overhead heater. So just in here is your guest room. You have his and her wardrobes, overhead storage and integrated wardrobes with the sliding doors. You also have that nice ceiling light and fan, insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows. Okay, so if I just pan around, I'll just give you a feel for this room here. It's nice and large. So let me take you in and around now. So we're back through to this lovely living space. And I do like the lights in here. It quite sets the mood for the room. Really beautiful. Very relaxing. You know, just going to give you another quick look around this living space. Really nice. Now through that archway there you have your dining room. Okay, you have a table for 4 chairs, but you could fit a table and 6 chairs in here very, very comfortably. Okay, it's all decorated and designed very modern. And through there you have your kitchen. Nice squared off kitchen, plenty of top and base units, lovely wooden worktops. You have your gas hob and oven, and you have your double sink drainer there. Really very nice. You've got American style cooker as well, and your ceiling light and fan above. I'm just going to pan around for you. And this is just off the dining area. And if you notice the tiles, all these little tiles here, they all match that dining area. Same colouring and everything. All blends in very nicely. The design of this property is stunning. So through here, you have your back door and you have an insect screen door here. So I'm going to go out here and we're going to go upstairs and have a look at the top box. When we come down, I'll have a look at the leisure areas. So I see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So down at the bottom is a little barbecue area, I think, down there, with a bistro table and chairs. We've just come up the stairs and we're just about to go inside to the top box. So let's have... It's a slight step down, and this is another lovely spacious bedroom. Now this is great if you have guests, so you have a spare bedroom upstairs. And as well as that, because you have a staircase, they have a separate entrance, you know. You've got your ceiling light and fan there as well. And in here you have his and her wardrobes. Now sometimes people take out one wardrobe, put a little fridge in there with the teas made in a little cupboard, so people who are staying over can have a cup of tea and help themselves to a bit of breakfast without coming into the property and bothering you. You know, if you have friends over for the summer or something like that. So just in here is your ensuite. You have a nice sink and pedestal, WC, and of course you have your bath and your shower with a semi-frosted shower screen. Really lovely bathroom, very summery, all fully tiled all the way around. You've got your frosted glass window there, And this is a beautiful, relaxing bathroom. So I thought I'll take you out now and we'll have a look at the rooftop solarium. So it's a lovely cool breeze here. Today it seems a bit cloudy, but it's very, very warm, so it's very close today. This is a lovely rooftop solarium. You have got your area where you can lounge, and you've got your bistro table and chairs where you can have a coffee. And just above that, of course, you've got that lovely awning, keeps you in the shade. You also have a water point over there as well. And just down the road here, I'm going to focus in, you've got some beautiful areas for walking. And lovely mountains above there as well. All right. So this is a nice little area. You could also put, if you wanted, that false grass down here, and maybe put a little hot tub or a lazy spa up here for your guests. So let me take you back downstairs and we'll have a look around at the pool area and the leisure area of this property. So we'll go back out now and we'll go downstairs. I'll see you at the bottom, guys. Now, I've just come downstairs, just coming down these few steps, and there's so much to this property. I'm going to take you around the corner first. And they put all this lovely flooring in. So just here, you have understairs storage. And use some stepping stones and more storage and a water point as well. So just in here is your pump for your pool. Oh, my camera's having a wobble. So, what do you think so far, guys? Isn't this beautiful? So I'm going to bring you around the leisure areas now. Sorry about the crunching and stepping on the tiles now, the stepping stones. Just through here you have a little gate. It's one of those little white picket fences, very cute. And this is a lovely area just outside the kitchen where you can enjoy outside dining, you know, have some friends over, have a bit of lunch, and of course you got your water point there, which is great, in your hose to wash all the tiles down when we have that sandy rain, you know. The walls, it's very private here, and you have got the lights. You have a lovely little pool here, which is nice. And I'm just going to pan around for a bit, come over this side, give you a quick look, and that's your area where you can sunbathe. Okay. Hi guys, so if you like this property and you are interested, I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. If you want to contact us, info@lettoseltobuy.com. All the agents' details will be in the description below. Don't forget the reference number, and please leave your contact details so we can get in touch. All right, so until the next time, take care. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.